everyone, welcome back to Recipes by Aisha, and today we will be making the most popular dessert, Sheer Khurma, which is a festive pudding made with milk, vermicelli, nuts and butter. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for delicious recipes. Let's cook it. In a pot, add butter or ghee and bring it to hot, then add chopped nuts. I'm using almonds, pistachios and cashews. Roast these nuts for 1 to 2 minutes until they are crispy and lightly golden, and then take them out in a separate plate. In the same pot, now I'm adding butter or ghee again to fry vermicelli on medium to low flame. Keep stirring the vermicelli as they burn quite faster. Once it turns golden, take them out in a separate plate. Now in the same pot, pour milk and bring it to boil on medium to low flame. When the milk begins to boil, lower the flame and add fried vermicelli to the milk. Keep stirring the milk to avoid burning from the bottom. Let the vermicelli cook in the milk, then add fried nuts into the milk. Keep stirring again and again and simmer till vermicelli is soft and cooked. This can take 10 minutes on medium to low flame, so keep stirring in between to avoid the milk getting burnt from the bottom. Now add sugar and mix it to get the sugar dissolved completely. Now add cardamom powder and vanilla essence for fragrance and aromatic smell from our dessert. And keep stirring the dessert for 4 to 5 minutes until Sheer Korma is slightly thick in consistency. Do not overcook it to make it completely thick, as Sheer Korma will thicken itself once it is cooled down. After simmering for a while, it turns thicker, aromatic and deeper in color. Sprinkle remaining fried nuts on top of Sheer Korma and serve it warm or cold as per your choice. Let me know in the comments if you have tried this recipe and how much you liked it.